Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 8.1, question number 14. For a group of 100 candidates, the mean and standard deviation of their marks were found to be 60 and 15 respectively. Later on, it was found that the scores 45 and 72 were wrongly entered as 40 and 27. Find the correct mean and standard deviation. Here, number of candidates n equal 100 and mean x bar is 60, which is equal sigma x by n. Standard deviation sigma equal given as 15. Now sigma x equal n into x bar, which is equal 100 into 60, which is equal 6000. Now correct sigma x, that is correct mean, equal, here total is 6000. In that, later on it was found that the scores 45 and 72 were wrongly entered as 40 and 27. That means we have to add 45 and 72 with 6000 and subtracting 40 and 27. Means correct one is 45 and 72, and wrong one you have to subtract 40 and 27, which is equal 6000 plus 45 minus 40 is 5. 5 plus 72 is 77. 77 minus 27 is 50. Add 50, which equal 6050. Still number of items is 100. Therefore, we can correct it now. Correct x bar. Correct x bar is new sigma x over n. New sigma x is 6050 over 100, which is equal correct sigma x equal 60.5. Now this side we will do standard deviation. The old standard deviation sigma equal, the formula is sigma x square over n minus sigma x over n the square. We'll put the values. Therefore, standard deviation, incorrect standard deviation sigma equal, incorrect standard deviation is equal to already 15. This is a 15. So we have sigma equal to 15, that is old sigma. So we can equate squaring sigma square equal, remove the square root, sigma x square over n minus sigma x over n the square, which is look at here, sigma x square here 225, because sigma is 15, square of 15 is 225, and sigma x square over 100, because n is 100, same sigma x by n is old mean is 60, that square. So 225 plus 60 square equal sigma x square by 100, which is 225 3600 equal sigma x square over 100. Then 3600 plus 225 is 3825 is sigma x square over 100. The 100 is cross multiplied, therefore sigma x square equal 3825 and 00. Now correct value of sigma x square is 382500, 45 square plus 72 square minus wrongly entered is subtracted, that is 40 square minus 27 square. Let's give more space for this. Now, which is 382500 plus 45 square is 2025, 72 square is 5184 minus 40 square is 1600 minus 27 square is 729. So we have to calculate these values. So add with 382500 adding this and subtracting this, final simplification gives 382500 minus 2329, therefore which is equal 3825 7380. This addition comes to simplify the values, final value we can write it, which is equal 387380. Now correct standard deviation is that new correct standard deviation is sigma square root of 387380 over 100, that is number of items, minus 60.5, 61 new mean the square. New mean square is this much, and which is equal, final I can calculation, you can write it, square root of 3873.80 minus 60.5 is 3660, 60.25, which is equal square root of 3873, which is equal to 213.55, equal answer is 14.61. Therefore, new standard, new SD, that is sigma. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.